Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix backup and restore blank page, white or empty screen in Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /check health. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /scan health. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.